Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and fine. Today, in this video session, we are going to see an important topic, that is on to the summit. We reach the top. This is an informative extract. In this extract, you will get the true events of one of the great situation, one of the great event which was happened in the history of human being. We all know it very well that the highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, and total elevation of this mountain is 8,846 meters. इतनी ऊंचाई पे चढ़ाई करना और उसके टॉप तक पहुंचना ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है, पर इस मुश्किल काम को अंजाम दिया दो लोगों ने, एंड द नेम्स ऑफ दिस टू पीपल आर टेंसिंग नॉर्गे एंड एडमंड हिलेरी. वो पहली बार माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ाई करने में सक्सेसफुल हो पाए. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम, लेट्स सी in what kind of the situation they reached the top of this world. So let's see the introduction of Tenzing Norgay here. Before that, we need to solve the icebreakers which are very important. So let's see the first question here, that is discuss with your partner and complete the web diagram of different activities related to climbing. So in this web diagram you have to write at least 4 to 5 activities related with climbing. चढ़ाई करने के लिए या चढ़ाई में जिस तरह की एक्टिविटीज होती है उन एक्टिविटीज को आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. So I have already solved all the questions here. So let's see. I'm going to show you the answers of these icebreakers. So in this icebreaker, the first one is climbing, bouldering is there, scrambling is there, snow ascent is there, cracking is also there. Cracking means with the help of the rope, we can practice to climb on the mountains. Here ice climbing is also one of the activity which belongs to climbing activity. So these are the different activities which are based on the or which are related with the climbing. ये सारी एक्टिविटीज क्लाइंबिंग से रिलेट करती है. बाउल्डरिंग हो, स्क्रैम्बलिंग हो, स्नो एसेंट हो या फिर क्रैकिंग हो, राइट? ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज आर रिलेटेड विद द क्लाइंबिंग. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन हियर, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द ग्रुप एक्टिविटी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हियर यू नीड टू make a short dialogue between you and your friend about mountaineering, but we will solve this particular question afterwards. So before that, let me tell you the answer of third one, that discuss with your partner the various hazards. Hazards means difficulties or obstacles which are on and risk as well that a mountaineer or trekker has to face in an expedition. तो चढ़ाई करना इतना आसान नहीं होता. You need to do lot of practice and of course this is not the simple task. इसमें बहुत सारी मुश्किलों का सामना भी आपको करना पड़ता है. And here you have to write some of the dangers or some of the risks that mountaineer is taking whenever he is ascending on the mountains. So let's see. Mountaineers must concern themselves with dangers like falling rocks. Then falling ice is also one of the danger. Snow avalanches, that is also one of the great danger. Altitude sickness is one of the problem. When you went on the high level or high position, that time maybe you will have the altitude sickness. Altitude sickness बहुत लोगों को होता है. And weather changes, that is also one of the type of danger. कभी भी किसी भी वक्त मौसम बदल सकता है और इस मौसम में आपको खुद पे भरोसा होना चाहिए कि आप इसको अच्छी तरह से झेल सकते हो. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द डेंजर. सो माउंटेनियर हैज टू फेस such kind of the dangers whenever he is ascending on the mountains. So now after the discussion on the icebreakers, we are going towards the introduction of the Tenzing Norgay. So let's see the introduction of this person whose name is Tenzing Norgay. So Tenzing Norgay, who was born on 29th May 1914, जिनका जन्म 29 मई 1914 में हुआ and of course he was died on 9th May 1986. This person by birth named as Namgyal Wangdi. So this is his real name and his pen name was, he is always or often referred as Sherpa Tenzing. तो उसको शेरपा टेंजिंग इस नाम से ही ज्यादातर लोग जानते हैं. And of course Sherpa, let me tell you something about this particular adjective. Sherpa means the person who is helping the mountaineers, यानी जो लोग पर्वत की ऊंचाई को छूना चाहते हैं या उन पे चढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसे लोगों की हेल्प करने का काम ये लोग करते हैं और इन लोगों को बोलते हैं शेरपा. So this person is doing the work of Sherpa and he was a Nepali Indian. So by birth he was Nepali and of course उसके कर्म के या जितना भी उसका कर्म है वो इंडिया में ही हुआ है. So he is called as Nepali Indian Sherpa and of course he is one of the mountaineer as well. So he was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest. दुनिया में सबसे पहले जो दो लोग माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ाई करने में सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं उनमें से एक इंसान है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स his accomplishments are, so many accomplishments are there, and due to his accomplishments with Edmund Hillary, and Edmund Hillary is also one of the person who is belongs to New Zealand. न्यूजीलैंड का एक माउंटेनियर है जिनका नाम है एडमंड हिलेरी. On 29th May 1953 इस दिन इन दो लोगों ने दुनिया की सबसे ऊपर वाली या सबसे ऊंचाई वाला जो हिस्सा है वहां पे चढ़ाई करने में ये जो दो लोग हैं वो सक्सेसफुल हो पाए. एंड ड्यू टू हिज अकम्प्लिशमेंट्स नेपाल गवर्नमेंट देन इंडियन गवर्नमेंट had given him so many honors. So first honor here we are going to discuss, that is about Tiger Medal. And Tiger Medal he got in 1938. इनको टाइगर मेडल से सम्मानित किया गया. कब? 1938 में. And this honor was given by Himalayan Club. Himalayan Club ने इनको ये honor दिया. And of course this was his third Everest expedition and successfully he reached there for 3 times afterwards. And the second honor which was given to him, that is Star of Nepal. This particular award was given by King Tribhuvan. उस वक्त के नेपाल के जो राजा थे किंग त्रिभुवन, 1953 में उन्होंने ये जो ऑनर है तो टेंसिंग, शेरपा टेंसिंग को दिया गया है for his all accomplishments. And the third important honor which he got in 1959, that is Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan, that is one of the highest civilian award in India. And of course here he got this particular award, that is Padma Bhushan, in 1959 by the Indian government. And Tenzing describes in this particular extract that how they climbed to the top of the world and all the events occurred during the historic climb. इस एक्सट्रैक्ट में आपको टेंसिंग नॉर्गे बताएंगे कि किस तरह से उन्होंने एवरेस्ट पे या माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ाई की और उनकी सफर में, उनकी इस जर्नी में किन या किस तरह के प्रॉब्लम्स, किस तरह के ऑब्स्टैकल्स उन्हें झेलने पड़े. दिस आर्टिकल also describes what brought him to climbing mountains. यानी माउंटेनियरिंग उनके माइंड में कब आई and how exactly he started the mountaineering, this particular extract will tell you. So without wasting the time, let's see the actual extract which was narrated by the Sherpa Tenzing Norgay. So let's see the first paragraph here. So here in this first paragraph, on to the summit we reached the top. Let's see the first paragraph. When we left Camp 9 on Friday morning, I was determined to get to the top on this day. So this extract started at the position when they were at the 9th camp. 9th camp means जब भी आप माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई करते हो So that time, remember, so many stops were there to take the rest. There were so many camps were there. So more than 15 to 16 camps were there. And of course, here they were on 9th camp. And here, now they had taken the rest, and on this particular day, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary both had decided to reach the top of the world on this particular day. So let's see what happened. That morning, I remember thinking I was to get to the top even if I die. तो वह यहाँ पे कहते हैं कि मुझे इस दिन मौत भी आ जाए तो कोई गम नहीं, लेकिन मुझे आज के दिन दुनिया के सबसे टॉप पे पहुंचना है, टॉप पोजीशन पे पहुंचना है. एंड दिस इज द डिटर्मिनेशन. एट लास्ट दे हैड डिसाइडेड कि कुछ भी हो जाए वो इस दिन या इस वक्त का पूरा फायदा उठाएंगे और वो दुनिया के टॉप यानी माउंट एवरेस्ट के टॉप पे पहुंचेंगे, समिट पे पहुंचेंगे. सो लेट्स सी whether they were reached on the top or not. So I was not afraid to die that day. यानी इस दिन उन्हें मरने का डर नहीं था. You all know it very well. आज भी दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं. हजारों लोग हैं और इन हजारों लोगों में से कोई या कुछ ही लोग होते हैं, चुनिंदा लोग होते हैं जो कि माउंट एवरेस्ट पे समिट पे पहुंच पाते हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों को अपनी जान तक गंवानी पड़ती है. But still, this is the symbol of great courage. This is the symbol of great determination. And here, now, there is no any kind of the fear in their mind regarding the death. यानी आज उन्हें मौत का डर नहीं है, क्योंकि उनके सामने टारगेट है, उनके सामने एम है. और एम क्या है? दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचाई वाले समिट पे पहुंचना. So let's see. We set out early. वो सुबह रेडी होके सेट होके बाहर निकले. एंड ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कैंप 9 टू द पिक वी अल्टरनेटेड. नाउ दे हैड स्टार्टेड देयर जर्नी. एक दूसरे के बाद एक, यानी दो ही लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो चढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. एंड दे वर अल्टरनेटेड. इट मीन दे वर चेंजिंग देयर प्लेसेस, दे वर चेंजिंग देयर पोजीशंस. जब भी आगे वाला इंसान थक जाता है तो ऑफ कोर्स आगे वाले इंसान को रास्ता बनाते बनाते आगे बढ़ना होता है. एंड the second person is just following the footsteps of the front person. And of course यहाँ पे वो अपनी जगह बदल के आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So let's see. I would take the lead and the Hillary, the man who follows when climbing has a difficult job, both in climbing up and climbing down. You all know it very well. चढ़ना जितना मुश्किल है उससे भी ज्यादा उतरना मुश्किल है. So these both the activities are so difficult, and now they are changing their positions as per the need. And here is the anchor. This is the person who is taking the lead, and he's acting like the anchor. Anchor is very important whenever you are doing the mountaineering, because on this anchor your life is depends. इस anchor पे पूरी की पूरी आपकी life depend है. So here the man going to the lead cuts the steps. तो आगे वाला जो इंसान है उसका काम क्या है? तो आइस की जो आइस है उसे अच्छी तरह से कट करना और उसको ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए लायक बनाना. That is one of the important work the person who is front at the front position he needs to do. And he breaks the way, and he needs to break the way for the following person. So that is the important task these persons are doing now alternately. In my pocket I had 4 flags. So in the pocket of Tenzing Norgay, Sherpa Norgay, there were total 4 flags. उसके जेब में कितने फ्लैग्स हैं? 4 flags were there. And when we were still at the camp 4, जब वो camp 4 में थे, that time Colonel Hunt, remember Colonel Hunt is the main person who is taking the responsibility of this expedition. And Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags, those of Britain, the United Nations and Nepal. Colonel Hunt ने तेनसिंग नॉर्गे को 3 फ्लैग दिए थे. एक था ब्रिटेन का, दूसरा था यूनाइटेड नेशंस का और तीसरा था नेपाल का. He charged me with the duty of planting them on the top of the world. So Colonel Hunt gave the duty to Tenzing Norgay to plant these all three flags on the top of the world. जब वो सक्सेसफुली माउंट एवरेस्ट के समिट पे पहुंच जाएंगे तो उस समिट पे ये जो 3 फ्लैग है वो प्लांट करने का काम किसको दिया गया था? टेंसिंग नॉर्गे को. And these flags were passed by the Colonel Hunt. They were given by the Colonel Hunt. Remember the name, Colonel Hunt. 3 flags. These 3 flags are in our care. इन तीनों फ्लैग्स का ख्याल रखना ये टेंसिंग नॉर्गे की जिम्मेदारी थी, या एडमंड हिलेरी. इन both the persons they need to doing this particular task to take care of all the 3 flags. When you and Hillary reach the top, put them at the peak. I'm sure that you and Hillary are going to do it. So this person, Colonel Hunt, is very sure about the success of this expedition. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि जब तुम दुनिया के टॉप पे पहुंच जाओगे, so of course that time you need to put or you need to plant these 3 flags. So that time remember he was very sure कि कुछ ही घंटों के बाद वो दुनिया की सबसे ऊंचाई वाले पॉइंट पे होंगे. They will be definitely on the summit of Mount Everest. So let's see what happened with the flags. So the next paragraph is like this. I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me and I would like to be on the top with the other flags. So Tenzing Norgay, जो कि एक नेपाली इंडियन शेर्पा है, so of course he had carried Indian flag as well, and of course he told the Colonel Hunt that I carried the Indian flag in my pocket and I would like to be on the top with this particular flag as well. So I had to ask Colonel Hunt's permission because he was the leader of this expedition. कर्नल हंट की परमिशन लेना बहुत जरूरी था. क्यों जरूरी था? Because he was the leader of this expedition. तो उनकी परमिशन से ही ये जो सारे फ्लैग्स हैं वो ऊपर ले जा सकता था. So when he told about the Indian flag, that time Colonel Hunt gave which kind of the answer to him? Let's see. Colonel Hunt said that by all means I am glad to know that you brought an Indian flag. यानी वो गुस्सा नहीं हुए या उन्होंने टेंसिंग शेरपा पे गुस्सा नहीं किया. उन्होंने कहा कि तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया कि इंडियन फ्लैग तुम तुम्हारे साथ लेके आ गए. After 1 hour of steady going, now they had started their journey. They had started their journey towards the summit of the Mount Everest. We cut across from the south face and started up the west side, where we had to pass up a steep line of rocks. जैसे ही उन्होंने साउथ फेस से चढ़ाई करना शुरू कर दिया, साउथ साइड से जब उन्होंने चढ़ाई करना शुरू कर दिया, that time they need to go to west side, where they had to pass up a steep line of rocks. तो यहाँ पे जो रॉक की जो पोजीशन थी वो बहुत स्टीप थी, यहाँ पर से वो गिर सकते थे. This is very difficult kind of the target for them to cross this particular rocks. So this was slow and difficult. तो इसके ऊपर चढ़ाई करना बहुत मुश्किल था और वो अपनी पूरी जी जान लगा के चढ़ाई करना या उन्होंने चढ़ाई करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. So once we had cleared this, there was nothing barring our way to top, but a snow-covered incline, sloping less and less as it neared the top. So जैसे जैसे टॉप नजदीक आते चला गया, वैसे वैसे स्लोप जो है slanting up and down, up or down. So this is the slanting kind of the thing, जहाँ पर से वो फिसल सकते थे. And due to this particular thing, they know it very well कि अगर इन्होंने सक्सेसफुली इसको पार कर लिया तो दुनिया की कोई भी ताकत उन्हें समिट पे पहुंचने से रोक नहीं सकती. And so due to this particular thing, this last 60 or 70 feet up the top were not very dangerous. The last 60 or 70 feet up, जब समिट 60 से 70 फीट रह गया, so that time remember they understood that this is not that much dangerous. But we kept up the same steady pace. लेकिन उन्होंने जल्दी नहीं की, उन्होंने अपनी जो स्पीड है वो बनाए रखी, क्योंकि वहां तक पहुंचना बहुत मुश्किल था और उनको अपने जो स्पीड है वो लगातार बनाई रखनी पड़ी या बनाई रखनी पड़ रही थी, and so they did the same thing. So and we reached the small plateau summit almost together. So at last they reached the top of this mountain. माउंट एवरेस्ट के टॉप पे ये जो दो लोग हैं वो साथ साथ ऊपर चले गए. So during the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and I were moving about 20 feet apart. जब लास्ट के 50 फीट 50 फीट रह गए थे तो उस वक्त they have the distance of 20 feet apart. We were tied together with a rope. So of course this is the skill, this is the position whenever you are doing the mountaineering. जब भी कोई mountaineering करता है, so if you are doing together task, so that time remember you need to use the rope. तो उस रस्सी के इस्तेमाल से ये जो दो लोग थे एक दूसरे से बंधे हुए थे. Most of the time the rope was loose, but when we went over dangerous ground, we drew it taut. So of course this is the most dangerous job. चढ़ाई करना यहाँ पे इतनी ऊंचाई पे ये बहुत मुश्किल था, because oxygen level is too much. There is no any kind of the oxygen level. They need to use the oxygen cylinders. And of course ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर लेके ऊपर चढ़ाई करना ये बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है. And of course for that purpose you should have that much practice. And here remember, we are always remembering the person who reached the first. It means when I will ask you the question that who reached the moon at first, so definitely you will give the answer that Neil Armstrong. But if I'm asking or if I'm changing the question that who is the second person who climbed the moon, so definitely you will not get the answer, or you will not give the answer. क्योंकि दुनिया का यही दस्तूर है कि जो सबसे पहले ऊपर पहुंचता है या सबसे पहले जो चीज करता है उसी का नाम दुनिया याद रखती है. So here also the same thing was there. आज दो लोगों को याद किया जाता है, टेंसिंग नॉर्के एंड एडमंड हिलेरी. Why? Because they didn't disclose the thing that who reached the Mount Everest at first. इन दोनों ने कभी भी ये डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया कि सबसे पहले माउंट एवरेस्ट पे कौन पहुंचा, एडमंड हिलेरी पहुंचा या फिर टेंसिंग शेरपा पहुंचा. राइट? उन्होंने दुनिया वालों को ये स्टेटमेंट दिया, we both reached the Mount Everest summit together. So this is all about the journey of Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, and they reached the top of this world with the cumulative efforts. In their efforts, they have survived by so many dangers, and of course, they had successfully crossed or successfully skipped the obstacles from their path. So of course due to their cumulative effort वो वहां पे पहुंचने में कामयाब हो पाए. So in this lesson we are going to stop here. Remaining part of the lesson we are going to see in the next video session. I hope you have understood the part which we had just discussed. So if you have any kind of the query, you can comment me in the comment box. I will try my best to solve your queries as early as possible. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and here we are going to discuss before that one important thing, that this rope was a symbol. So of course we will discuss this particular thing or this particular matter afterwards. So thank you everyone once again. Stay tuned, stay home, stay happy. Thank you.